po, Sir MJ. Congratulations po. Since napag-iibuhan niyo more than 2 decades na you have you work and talk with a lot of different people. Ano po yung parang nakuha niyo greatest lessons or things na na-apply niyo up until now kung sa nagpa-wake up sa inyo to be good?
Anong nagpa-wake up sa akin?
Yung
Lesson? I don't know. Ano ang mga lessons? Every day naman kasi is an opportunity to learn. Ang sabi ni Tito Boy sa akin, if you stop learning, doon ka na talaga din mag-end, di ka na mag-grow. So, I think it's just that. Just take each day, each opportunity, each interview as a learning curve. Oh my God, I can't forget Angelina Jolie. Zoom lang to for Maleficent 2. Pagpasok ko ng Zoom, nakasimangot. Parang, oh my God, paano? Syempre, I only have 4 minutes. So, paano?
Angelina Jolie.
Sinimangutan. Ni ano?
Sinimangutan si Angelina.
Hindi naman.
Gandang headline.
Zoom kasi yun. So parang sabi ko, okay, my God, paano ko siya i-charm? Kasi I only have 4 minutes. So sabi ko, ang opening ko sa kanya, Hi Angelina, this is MJ Felipe from ABS-CBN News. All the way from this side of the world in the Philippines. Bila na siyang, oh my God, I love that side of the world. Gumano na siya. So nag-smile na siya, nag-open up na siya. So, isa yun sa mga parang sabi ko, okay, dapat pala when you're interviewing a foreign artist, the very first second, makuha mo na agad yung charm nila. Brad Pitt, Korea interview for Ad Astra. I only have 7 minutes with him. Meron akong mga list of questions, pero pag upo ko, dinrap ko lahat. Sabihin lang ako sa kanya, have you ever been to the Philippines? Announced or unannounced? Ayun na, tapos nireveal na niya, dapat mag-shoot siya dito ng World War Z Part 2, sa Palawan, sa parang, na siya, sunod-sunod na yung revelations. So, I think that's one lesson also, parang, minsan, kahit na gano'n ka ka-prepare, minsan i-drop mo na lang, and then just go with the flow. Parang gano'n.
My next question is, being one of the faces,
Hindi na naman yung face. Dapat
representatives of the entertainment nowadays. Nag-pressure po ba kayo na sundan yung mga lapak ng mga prominent personalities natin?
Hindi naman pressured because as they always say, you can never replace them. No? Pag, the people who have been, who paved the way for us, interviewers, hosts, diba? Parang you can never replace them. Unlike ko sinasabi, everyone has a corner in the sky. Kumbaga parang Ayana has her own style, she will have that moment and corner in the sky. I have my own style, Bianca has her own style. So lahat tayo may pwesto, lahat tayo magkakaroon ng audience, magkakaroon ng market. Yung iba would shine bright, yung iba medyo dim lang ng konti, but we all have that corner. Parang kayo, di ba? Parang ikaw, Nika, you have your throne in push. Di ba? Si Frank, sa tweet, di ko sinabi. Meaning mo yan. Meron siya sa social, si Hannah of Inquirer, di ba? So, everyone has their own little corner or big corner or corner in that sky.
Last question.
Dami! Grabe! I love it!
I-relate ako doon sa RUG.
Okay.
May bagay po ba kayo na you are not really G?
Tattoo.
Wow!
So, iniisip ko yan. Sabi ko, ano yung one thing that hindi ako papayag? My fear is heights. So, ipupush ko yung sarili ko to do bungee jumping if I'm gonna do bungee jumping. Or even the treetop adventure in Subic. Medyo takot ako doon, pero sige, I'm gonna do it. Pero ang tanging kahit anong mangyari is have a tattoo. So,
Kahit po with someone that you are really close
ako wangod, it's okay. Yung isang ganon, that's fine. Ako payag ako doon. Pero yung mga malalaki, mga parang dami.
Because of possible regret?
Hindi. It's just not my thing.
Thank you po. Thank you, Sir MJ. Congrats.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ate Nika.
Kahit ipilit ako ni Mariah na magpatato ng butterfly o pirma niya, hindi ko gagawin.
MJ, have you always been this sociable and into showbiz since bata?
Actually, nakita ko yung family album namin. Bata pa lang ako pala, nag-host na ako ng mga parties. Parang ang oldest memory ko, I was 4 or 5 years old. Dinala ako ng dad ko sa Christmas party ng company nila sa Pasig. The office is still there. Tapos pumunta na ako sa harapan, tapos nag-recite ako ng poem that I learned from school. Kasi hindi daw ako nahiya. The Little Red House, ganyan. Tapos sa compound namin, every New Year's Eve, ako yung nag-host nung party. Wala pa tong showbiz Wala pa, high school pa lang to. Ako yung mag-house to house. Sasali po ba kayo sa bingo? Okay. Sasali po ba kayo sa exchange gift? May ganun na ako nung bata. So, yung hosting I think was, hindi ko alam kung kanino ko siya namana. None in my family are in celebrity or in showbiz. Wala talaga. I think ako lang.
But maybe, kung may nanonood na parents or siguro kids who look up to you, parang how to develop yung ganyang confidence? Do you think your environment had something to do with it?
Oo, siguro if sana supportive yung yung environment. Pero kasi lang siya, sometimes it's innate. Kayo din, I'm sure, nung bata ba kayo, na-imagine nyo ba mag-i-interview kayo ng mga ganito? Di ba? Parang, I think it's just naturally lalabas na lang talaga siya.
And part din ng RUG, aside from the activities, yung pag-interview mo. So, ano yung pinaka-awkward na moment or question na you had to ask, pero nagkaroon ng parang awkward moment?
Meron na ba, Sam? So far wala pa naman, no? So far parang fun pa lahat ng kasi nga hindi siya yung controversial. May kiliti lang, like yung kay Maki. I don't know if you've seen clips online already. Na yung mom, ni-reveal na ang gusto daw niya is si Maloy for Maki. So, yun. Cute na reveal, pero hindi pasabog, hindi controversial.
Or maybe in entertainment in general, what was the hardest na kailangan mo ito itanong? Kasi ikaw yung may
marami na,
access.
Kate. Marami na. Hindi ko na siya ma-recall, but ang dami ng moments I had to ask the difficult questions because that's your job di ba? Parang basta kasi tatanungin ka sa newsroom Tanungin ka parang ito yung headline, dapat ito yung may storya tayo, parang ganyan.
And last na, sabi nga as the face of local entertainment now. Siyempre pag in your personal life, yung mga friends, ikaw siguro yung go-to. Ano yung mga common questions na tinatanong sa'yo aside from sino yung
I cannot say it, Kate. Alam ko na yung tinutumbok mo, pero I cannot say it. Pero I agree, pag meron kami laging gathering ng mga kaibigan ko, chismis is the first topic. Uy, ganito ba si ganito? Ganyan. Uy, ano yung totoo kay ganyan? Like kanina lang, yung sister ko messaged me, ano nangyari kay Kim Chu? May ganon siya. Ba't di ko siya napapanood sa Showtime? Parang may ganon. So, even my family, pero pag binibisita ko sila, hindi naman yung deliberately na nagtatanong. So parang, it's just, uy, napanood namin si ganito. Kamusta na si ganyan? May ganon lang. Pero hindi yung, pero yung mga kaibigan ko. Kayo din, I'm sure, kayo din.
Kung sino ba?
I'm sure pa nakikipag-inuman kayo sa mga kaibigan nyo, yan ang topic.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, Miss Kate. Actually, I want to follow up with
Yan naman
Miss
ako,
Kate's
tapos
question also. Parang I want to know naman, Kuya MJ, syempre as a news reporter, celebrity reporter, and now a host also, how do you get siguro the artists to be comfortable with you? Kasi syempre they lack answers minsan and then you kind of need to get more from them. How do you do that, Kuya MJ?
It doesn't happen overnight. The trust ng mga celebrities sa'yo is parang nabubuo yun through the years. Kumbaga, dati yung mga artista na yan, minaalala ko may isang manager dati na tumawag ako, sabi ko, pwede ko po bang ma-interview yung alaga nyo, ganito, ganyan. Ako po si MJ, bago pong reporter. Sino ka ba? Wala ka namang pangalan. Ganon! Kailangan matibay yung sikmura mo dito pag gano'n ka. So, hindi ko naman siya pinersonal, but wala naman talaga akong pangalan. where's the lie, di ba? Parang wala naman. But it really, para siyang plant na you have to nurture. Showbiz is really relationship-based because kung ako yung artista, bakit ko i-reveal sa'yo lahat? To, sino ka ba? Ganun yun eh. Why would hindi ako komportable sa'yo eh. I won't tell my story to you. Kaya sometimes the celebrities, they just tell all on their personal vlogs, on their social media accounts. Ganun na lang. So, prerogative nila yon. They control the narrative. It will be unchallenged. Ganun eh. So, minsan, lakasan ng loob pag, let's say, MJ, can you interview this? Magka-tell all siya sa'yo. Yun. So, it takes years. It takes years, it takes a lot of moments, it takes a lot of interviews para makuha mo yung trust ng mga artista to share their stories to you. Whether it may be controversial, a tell-all, or just as simple as, I just had a birthday. Parang gano'n, di ba? So,
Interesting. Parang it's really all about relationships. Actually, gusto ko lang i-share as a host. I'm sure you would also understand, and everyone here. There was a time when I started hosting na artists were very hesitant to be friends with me because of that label. But of course, now I have my circle of friends. Like Sinamaki, one of my best friends. And parang, it also took them a while din to really be like, okay, Ayana's a genuine friend.
That's right.
Kasi syempre having the label as a host, no, madaldal.
pag host naman kasi it's different from a reporter or interviewer. Parang host kasi you have a cue card, everything is curated, everything is planned out. Pag interviewer ka or reporter ka, syempre you ask the difficult questions. Kaya, I don't know if they need to know this, pero I don't go out with any celebrity. So I don't hang out, I don't party, I party pag ini-invite kunyari sa MJ, birthday na, cover mo. Punta ako doon, then hang out for a bit. Parang ganun. Pero yung deliberately na, oh, labas tayo sa Sabado, walang ganun. So kahit na paano, I keep that distance or line, fine line, para at least hindi ako, kasi too close, pag you're too close to the celebrity, it's hard to ask them the difficult questions. So, as much as possible, I remain professional, civil, and good working relationship with them.
Kuya MJ, let's say you did get close to a celebrity. How would you know if something is worth reporting versus...
I know you ask them na.
You ask them
Oo,
na.
so
Okay.
minsan ang mga celebrities, I ask them parang, uy, may issue about you, are you game to answer?
Yeah. Okay, I understand. So parang
Yeah.
boundaries pa rin at the end
Yes,
of the
yes.
day.
So you ask them lang.
Yes.
They're willing to answer.
Okay, interesting guys. We're learning a lot, diba guys? I love it. Okay.
No, they know that na.
Yes, we're learning.
Alam na nila yan lahat.
Refresher, guys.
Oo.
Yes. Okay, Kuya MJ, we have our last question. So
Okay.
sorry guys. Okay, we have our last question from Ate Trisha Matias of Metro.
Diyos ko, yung EP ng RUG,
Yes,
ko pa talaga
of course.
magtatanong.
RUG is here.
Nakakaloka.
Okay, Kuya MJ, her question is, if you can try one extreme challenge, what would it be and who would
Bungee.
you do it with?
Bungee.
With who, Kuya MJ?
Bungee jumping siguro. Kasi siguro as a celebrity na ganun din yung fear. Para pareho kami. Para same level kami ng anxiety or fear, jumping. So yun.
Okay.
Hindi ko pa alam, may kilala ba kayo na celebrity may fear fights? Parang gano'n.
Maki. Si Maki.
Hindi ko rin kaya yung eating a worm.
Ooh.
With roller coaster.
I'm okay.
Ferris
Pero nahihilo ako.
wheel.
Ang ayoko, actually sa theme parks, I'm okay. Ang ayoko lang yung Viking. Oo, kasi ganun, so, mabilis akong mag-throw up. Pero the rest, kaya ko siya. Sa Bangkok, nag-Khao Road kami. So, kumain ako ng scorpion. Pero yung worm, hindi ko kaya. Pero after kumain ng scorpion, bigla ako nag-allergy. Dalawa dito. So, yeah. Can you eat an exotic food?
Cannot. I cannot.
Spider.
No.
No.
No, nothing.
You're not G?
No, but not G. Pero pag siguro pag episode ng RUG, try ko. Wow. Yeah.
Kayo, sino sa inyo? Eat a worm.
Yung sa...
G ka, Jason?
Yung sa Palawan.
Sa Thailand.
Yung woodworm, yung ano, tawag doon?
Hindi siya,
Tamilok.
Tamila.
Tamilok. Yung mga ganyan.
Pero yung mga
Right.
Hindi, meron recently, I think nag-taping si Kauri, Emilio, and Shania sa Australia
Yes.
for Romance
Reboot.
They tried kangaroo jerky.
Oh, that's...
Would you guys PG?
That's
Kangaroo
okay.
jerky? Really?
That's okay. May isang beses, muntik na ako, may pinakain sa akin, muntik na pakain sa